Are you tired of having to search for the calculator app on your iPhone every time you need it? In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly and easily add the calculator app to your control center, so it's just a few taps away. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Control Center. After that, you need to add the calculator shortcut to the included controls. To do that, just scroll down until you see Calculator. Once you've found it, simply tap on the plus icon right next to the calculator. Now you've added the calculator to the included controls. So now all you have to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. And as you can see, there is the calculator shortcut. You can just tap on it to easily access the calculator app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.